Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet this headband, all basic stitches. It's kind for beginners. Simple but elegant pattern. Let's start now. First, leave a long tail about 120 centimeters. You can use any kind of yarn with you have and suitable hook. Make a knot like that. Then chain 1. Next, take the tail, yarn over. Then pull the original yarn. That's the first stitch. Take the tail, yarn over, and pull the original yarn. Repeat like that until you get suitable length. You can measure the length according to your need. Now, chain 1. We are going to crochet the second row. Yarn over into the last stitch of the first row. Pull yarn through it and pull the same loop through the other loops on the hook. That's the first stitch of the second row. If you are a beginner, mark it. Next, yarn over, pull yarn, then pull loop through the two loops together. Repeat in the same way, one by one to the end. Also, you can rotate the hook like that. It will be more easy. That's the end of the second row. Chain 1. Turn the work. Yarn over and start from the second V. Make stitch, same with the first row. Repeat like that until you get suitable size. Okay, it's really easy enough so you can make a work. The two sides are same, both look perfect and flat. Now we get suitable width. Fasten off the yarn. Leave a long tail for sewing. Fold as that. Sew as the video is showing. Next, we sew the middle part. Now, we get the beautiful headband. Thanks for your company.